Hey, what's going on, crypto family? It's the crypto machine, Johnny Diamond Hands. Hey, I had to do another video on this baked beans. This thing is going parabolic right now. 18,897 BNB in this contract. If you don't believe it, scroll down to the bottom and click on the BSC scan icon down here. And it's going to pop up right here. And it's going to tell you how much BNB. Man, it jumped right before I started making this video. $8 million worth of BNB is in this contract already. And I heard this has been going for about 4 months now, since January. The Telegram is going strong. 10,000 plus members in the Telegram. 3,000 plus members, followers on Twitter. So baked beans. So this thing has a calculator, right? You have this calculator that you can go in and you can just change the numbers. You can plug in whatever you want to plug in, and it'll tell you 90 days out, you know, what your daily profit is going to be, what your running balance is going to be. So you can just go in here and you base this. Now, how you use the spreadsheet is you only change the boxes that are in yellow. Don't change anything else. Everything else is going to calculate by itself. You see these green boxes? These are your withdrawal days. Every green box is your withdrawal days. Now, here you have to change the date. So I started on the 7th. So I'm going to change this to April 7th. Okay, and then it auto adjusted the dates as soon as I put the dates in. Okay, and you only change the yellow boxes. You can type in, you know, what you withdraw. If you decide to withdraw on a different day, then he has this column in here for you to, you know, annotate. You can type it in and write down, type in what you actually withdrew on that day. Okay, so what you do is you find the current BNB value. You minimize the spreadsheet and you pull up something like if you type in BNB on Google or Brave or whatever you want to call it, it'll give you this OEC amount, but that's not as accurate as CoinGecko. See how CoinGecko is different? So you take this amount, 423.72, whatever it is when you click on it, 423.72. You go over to the spreadsheet. 423.72, hit enter. It's going to adjust, right? It's going to adjust. So now that's set. Now you have to put in how many beans you own. To find that out, you just go over to the Baked Beans website and it tells you right here. See, I own 10 million. 10 million. So 10,653,111. I think that's right. Yep. And then I hit enter and it tells me my capital, right? And so I can change this. I can go ahead and adjust it. Well, this is not entirely accurate because I started 2 days ago, but I'm just going to go ahead and put in 282.64 and it's going to adjust, right? So I've been compounding, and so when I start compounding from here on out, I should just change the date to the day, and that way I can just have this in here. I can start compounding, but just for video purposes, me typing in these numbers in the yellow boxes, so on and so forth. So it says up to 8% per day, and what was said was you get this if you follow the 6 days compounding and 1 day withdrawal. So you're gonna compound for 6 days and then you're gonna withdraw on the 7th day. Compound 6 days, withdraw on the 7th day. Okay, and he says in here if you compound 100% for the first 33 days, at 34 days, if you pull out 1 day's worth, you'll have your seed capital back, which he proved it. If you just follow the 6 and 1 rule, 6 days compounding and 1 withdrawal, you'll make all that back before the 33 days. So this is the spreadsheet. I'll put a link to this spreadsheet in the video description, and you can just go and download it yourself. But look, like, in, you know, even if you start like I started, only $282 in 90 days, I'll be withdrawing 21 grand, right? So I'll be compounding, compound, and then, you know, somewhere on this 91st day, I would draw 20, 21, 22 grand. Before that, the withdrawal will be 13 grand, you know, in what, 84 days? If this thing lasts 84 days, another 84 days, I mean, that's a good deal if I only put in $282. So, hey, this is baked beans. This thing is on fire. This contract was what, a couple of days ago, it was like 15,000 BNB, and I already jumped up to 18,000 BNB. So, like, comment on the video, you know, comment on it. Let me know what you think. Share the video with other people. I'm going to put my referral link down in the bottom of the video description, and I'm going to put the link to the spreadsheet in the video description. Peace.